Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today, market was in a bit of selling pressure, and also we like in my Telegram group, I had posted last night that when both FIs and pros are on the same side, then the market usually becomes a little choppy. Okay, and that's what we could see that in the intraday. But at the end, in the afternoon, we saw some selling in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's understand what sort of moment that we can expect tomorrow. So we had a very big candle made on Friday, and today we have an inside candle. Okay, so now let's plan, or let's first discuss the data quickly. So the data here is again interesting. So when I say interesting means today actually FIs and pros, they did not get a proper exit window. Okay, so and usually what happens is when market opens in the opposite direction of the institutes, it so they basically create an exit window. So how do they create it? So either they'll invest some money and take the market higher, so that they can exit their existing positions. So usually they invest in the cash segment to take the market higher. But since both FIs and pros were on the same side, that did not turn out to be successful, and market reversed even before filling the gap properly. So right now, if you look at the position, so if I have closed 3,148 long positions and have added nearly 9,900 shorts in the index futures. And if you look at the options, they are net short on call side. That means we have a resistance created by FIs, and they're also net long in puts. And similarly, if you look at pros, they are also net short on calls and net long on puts. So again, a same side position created by both of them. So yesterday, both of them had put shorts and call long, and today they have call shorts and put long. So again, we can expect a choppy market tomorrow, especially if it opens against their view. So I think we should go back to our charts and discuss the levels. So overall, if you look at the position, so FIs are holding put create long, and pros are holding call create short. So I'll give you a simple idea, like what levels are you supposed to mark on the chart. Okay, so here the best thing is you just put a Fibonacci level from the low of this candle to the high of this candle, because this is a big bull candle and this is enough to give us the levels for tomorrow. So I've already done that. So let me go back to a 5-minute time frame. Okay, so both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So understand one thing, Fibonacci is important reversal level. Okay, reversal level of Fib is basically 0.618 and 0.5. Okay, so 0.618 is considered to be the golden ratio. So usually market reverses from that. And if you look at Bank Nifty has just held on to this particular place, and it has already created like a W kind of a pattern. So in case if you open up with a gap, it will be a W. And similarly, if you look at Nifty, it has come down below 0.618 and it has also stopped something like this. So it can reverse also. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci level that we're talking about. So now let's plan what should be the entry. Okay, so below 0.618, the market gets bearish, because usually a retracement or a good retracement is usually done until 0.618, and then the market continues slow and steady upwards. But if they break 0.618, that means that uptrend is finished and now they are moving towards the downside. So we know that the overall trend is bearish for now. This was just a pullback. Another important thing is on Wednesday, market is not there due to the Shra. So tomorrow, Tuesday, can behave like a Wednesday. So that means market can be volatile and within a range. So now let's discuss the plan. So if we open between 0.5 and 0.618, and we will wait for the level breakout. If it breaks on the high side, we'll buy call. If it breaks on the lower side, we'll buy put. So in case of put, what is your next target? It is 37,691, okay, which is the 0.786 level. So basically it is 37,700, okay, so a 200 points dip, and then the final target would be 37,400. Okay, so this is the dip that we're expecting, not beyond this. Since it's a Tuesday, I'm not expecting a trending move. Similarly, if we break on the upside, our first target is 38,250. So the breakout level is 3800. Okay, and the next target that we can expect is 38,450. So these are the two levels that I'm eyeing on the upside. Another important thing is about a gap up and a gap down. So if we open gap down means, but I'm talking about a slight gap down. So we'll only wait for this reversal and we'll immediately go for a put once it closes below 37,930. Target remains the same for the downside. If we open with a very big gap down, imagine we open somewhere around 37,500. So it is a round number and already FIs and pros are holding short positions. So they'll definitely book their positions and we can see a market coming on the upside, something like this, and then the entire day it can be choppy. Now let's talk about gap up. In case if we open with a slight gap up, say around 38,100, we'll wait for a pullback, and they should not even attempt this low and they should immediately reverse. Okay, so as soon as they close above 38,100, you can buy a call here. Safe traders can enter once the day high is broken immediately. So when I say immediately, it should be done with before 10:30 a.m. Then you can trade for the upside. I've already told the upside targets. And in case if we open with a very big gap up, say we are opening around this level, okay, so imagine that we have a trend line something like this, and we open somewhere around 38 350 to 38 400, then the market will be consolidating for some time because FIs and pros will have to adjust their positions, or they'll definitely bring the market down to fill the gap so that they get the exit window. So in case if we open somewhere here, so what you can plan is you can actually mark this level, which is around 38,400. So as closer it is to 38,400, we'll take a put trade and our target should be 38,090. Okay, and you should exit your position, and I think the rest of the day it will just consolidate within this range. So this is my view on Bank Nifty. If you look at SGX Nifty, it is already trading 140 points above. So chances of gap up opening is definitely there. So if it opens where and what are the position that we are going to take. So if we plan Nifty, so Nifty in case if it opens within this level and if it breaks down further, that is 16,840, then we can go for a put. Target is around 16,750. So downside, we do not have a very big target. And similarly, if it breaks the high is 16,920, we're going to buy a call. The first target is 17,020. So this should be a target, and you can trail for 17,083 also, but I think it's better to book around 17,000 because it's already 100 points more on the upside. So since it's Tuesday tomorrow, which can act as a Wednesday, we are planning a little shorter range. In case if we open gap up, so right now they are trading around 17,012, so they are trading somewhere here. Okay, so tomorrow if we open say within 17,083 to 17,000, we'll take a put trade because they are holding shorts, so they'll create an exit window and we can plan a target of 16,915. Okay, so 100-point dip. And if they have to cover, which I don't think so they'll do, what market will do is, in case if it opens here, it will just immediately give a dip and break the day high immediately. If that happens, then we can plan a call, but I'm not really looking at it. I'll plan the dip first and then maybe I'll decide what next is. So this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.